He was healthy until he was diagnosed with a life-changing condition that left him disabled. Now he's appealing for help because he's facing eviction. Our reporter Jamaica Maitland tells us a story of a St. Mary resident who is asking the public for assistance.
Buckets placed side by side, diagonally and in straight lines, as if it's a game of chess, and where they can't fit, old clothes are used to prevent rainwater from soaking the bed, sofa and floors. 45-year-old Errol Johnson says it's become his routine. The roof is on the verge of caving in from the rotting wood, and above that, tattered rusty zinc which could give way any time. But according to Johnson, it's being held together by hope. Hope that he'll receive some assistance from the public.
The assistance that I need now is like, better just sit down at the entire house. Or at least a piece of lease land to lease on the house. Because as you see the house, it is in a deplorable state. When it rains, I'm worried.
Johnson, who is disabled, says it wasn't always like this. He was a healthy security guard until he started feeling ill in 2018. He was made redundant soon after. Fast forward to 2020, when he woke up one morning, attempted to get off the bed and fell to the floor. He's been diagnosed with an extreme form of scoliosis. He explained that it can be corrected with surgery. However, not only is it expensive, but doctors told him it's risky. Now, he's learning to live with it. But in addition to this, he's facing another challenge, eviction.
Because of the condition, he don't want to put me out or to evict me. So I commend him for that, some other landlord would, because I'm living here from a child. I was given a time to build around the back. So the concrete block that they see out there is provided by the councillor.
He says he's received some assistance from the church and relatives. However, he needs more help to relocate. He's managed to get some materials, but needs somewhere to construct the house.
Like a piece of leased land, and then I help with some assistance with putting up a structure. Not big structure, just something to make me comfortable. I would appreciate that.
For anyone wishing to assist Errol Johnson, you can contact him at 876-994-8913 or 876-829-0932. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.